What if I told you that retirement could actually be one of the most psychologically dangerous transitions in your entire life? Guys, you've heard me say this in two other videos on this channel because it is so important and it represents a high value. Guys, today we're going to talk about positive emotion, engagement, relationships, meaning, accomplishment, and vitality. Now, what does all that have to do with your retirement? That's why you got to stick with me. Over the next several minutes, we're going to get right into it. What happens inside your head, the psychological effect it has on making you a success, or it can crush your dreams and goals. When you actually take time to reflect on it, you can see the importance of each of these words individually and collectively. See, people like you and me, we get caught up into the daily drama of a life without direction. I know, I did. People often miss the single most important factor in retirement. Guys, this really is one of the most important concepts I've said in years. So stick with me because what I'm about to share could completely change how you plan for retirement, whether you're looking at it in your future or if you're already there. All right, my friends, let's get into it. Today, we're talking about the 4 phases of retirement and, more importantly, how you can use them to build a retirement that actually feels good as it looks on paper. Now, here's something most retirement planning advice completely skips over. According to the research cited by Dr. Riley Moyniez in his TED Talk, roughly 10,000 North Americans reach retirement age every single day. Now, that number is actually closer to 11,200 per day, according to AARP in 2024. That's a retirement tsunami, a phrase you heard me say many times before. And a huge number of those people are going to hit the beach completely unprepared, not financially, but psychologically. And here's the part nobody talks about: the depression rates increase up to 40% in the first 2 years of retirement. Now, why would that be? Well, let's break it down. Phase one, the vacation phase, or what I like to call every day is Saturday. Now, in the first phase of retirement is what most people dream about. Dr. Moyniez says it is the vacation phase. You wake up when you want. You do what you want. No alarm clocks, no boss, no deadlines. Pure freedom. Sounds good to me. And for most people, this phase lasts about 10 to 12 months, about a year. It feels amazing, and it should. You've worked hard, you earned it. But here's where it gets interesting, because after around 12 months, something strange starts to happen. The golf games, well, they start to feel routine. The beach, well, it kind of loses its sparkle. And you start asking yourself, is this really all there is out there? Now, phase number 2, loss and feeling lost. And this is the one that catches almost everyone off guard. Dr. Moyniez calls it the phase where we feel loss and we feel lost. And it's not just one loss, it's 5 of them. And they all hit you at once. You lose your routine. You lose your identity. You lose your work relationships. You lose your sense of purpose. Now, research backs this up hard. Studies show that 25 to 30% of retirees experience significant depressive symptoms, and 1 in 3 reports serious loneliness, especially for those who retired without a plan beyond the financial side. Claire Davenport, a retirement transition coach who spoke at TED Talks, BYU, calls it a life quake, one of those massive disruptions that reshapes everything you're not ready for. And here's what I want you to understand, and this is critical for your retirement well being. Phase two is not the end of the story, not even close. But you have to know it's coming. And what about phase three? Trial and error. It's where you start asking the big question. And my friends, this phase can be messy. Dr. Moynier himself tried serving on the condo board. Well, he got yelled over daffodils versus daisies. So he decided to look into law school. He created a memoir writing program that he had, and I love how he put it, limited success. But here's the thing, guys, that trial and error is necessary because if you stop trying, research has shown you slide right back into phase two. Nobody wants to go backwards. Now, Claire Davenport gives us a framework. It's not about your money, it stands for reframe, optimize, and ignite. And that optimized piece, well, that's where the science of retirement happiness really gets fascinating because it turns out what actually makes the retirees happy is not what most people think. It's the science of retirement well being. And Claire references this study from Edward Jones that surveyed around 9,000 retirees. Ask them, what gives you the most fulfillment in your life? And the answers may surprise you. It was not money. It was not the beach house. It was not the golf membership. Here are the top answers: being authentic to themselves, spending time with the people they love, doing interesting things that help them grow. And I love this one, giving back and being generous. In fact, money ranked at the bottom of the list. And this lines up perfectly with what positive psychology researchers call MAV, PERMAB, which stands for positive emotion, engagement, relationships, meaning, accomplishments, and vitality. These are the 6 pillars of genuinely good life. And they matter even more in retirement because nobody's handing them to you anymore. You have to build them for yourself. Now, here's where it all comes together because phase 4 is where the magic happens. And not everyone gets there. But those who do, Dr. Moynier says, well, they are some of the happiest people he's ever met. So phase 4 is what Dr. Moynier calls reinvent and rewire. This is where you stop asking, hey, what am I going to do all day? And start asking, what is my mission for today? Dr. Moynier shares the story of his friend Bill, a retiree who noticed that people in his 55 plus active group have been given iPads and iPhones as gifts, and no one had any idea how to use them. So Bill organized volunteers to teach others. Year 1, 9 programs, 200 participants. Year 2, 45 programs, 700 participants. Year 3, 90 programs, and over 2,100 registrations. And that's the power of phase 4. And here's what's remarkable. Every single one of those 5 losses from phase 2, well, they all come back. Routine, identity, relationships, power, purpose, all of it returns, but in a form you design. Claire Davenport points to the blue zones. Those are the regions of the world where people live anywhere from 10 to 15 years longer than average. And you know what they all have in common? The word retirement doesn't even exist in their vocabulary. They simply move from one meaningful stage to the next. So the real question is, how do you actually get to phase 4? Well, Claire gives us 3 action steps that you can start right now. Here is your action plan, my challenge to you. Not what the commercials show, not what your parents did. What beliefs about retirement are no longer serving you? Because remember, the concept of retirement was invented all the way back in 1889 by a German chancellor. That's when people's life expectancy was less than 44 years. And now we live well into our 80s. That old definition, it just doesn't fit anymore. And now, step number 2, optimize. Look at the PERV MAV framework. Which of those 6 pillars, positive emotion, engagement, relationships, meaning, accomplishment, and vitality, which ones are you actively building into your retirement plan? Not just your financial future, into your life plan. And step 3, ignite. Take one small step today. Have one conversation. Explore one new idea. Sign up for a new class. You don't have to figure it all out today. You just have to start moving. Now, guys, here's what I want you to remember from today. Retirement is not a destination. It's a design project. And the research is clear. The people who thrive are not the ones with the biggest nest egg. They're the ones who planned for purpose just as carefully as they planned for their portfolio. So enjoy phase 1. You earned it. Be ready for phase 2. Know it's coming. Keep experimenting in phase 3. And of course, squeeze every last drop of juice out of phase 4. My friends, the best years, they could absolutely still be ahead of you. Guys, if this video helped you, I'd love for you to share with someone who's getting close to retirement or someone who may already be there and may be struggling a little bit. And check out the next video right here. I think you're really going to like it. And as always, we'll see you in the next video.